this young mathematician, by the way, since by that time computer science did not yet exist, or it was just part of mathematics. Another one was Claude Shannon, for the computer scientists or electrical engineers, mathematicians among you. He's known as the father of information theory. So they had a workshop in Dartmouth, and what I quote, the quote here is some phrase that I copied from the application that they filed in for getting money for conducting this workshop. And they said, well, we will try to make an attempt to find out how to make machines use language, form abstractions and concepts, and solve kinds of problems that are now, 1956, reserved for humans, and to improve themselves, so the machines should improve themselves. Typically, for executing it, so for applying it to a specific problem, actually no longer requires any intelligence. Since it's a sort of a cooking recipe, and it's stated down in the computer algorithm, step by step, do this, do this, do this. And in fact, you are applying it to the most stupid things that exist there, namely to computers. Since they just follow the algorithm step by step and just do it. So, features that you know that the problem has, that have to be obeyed. So to combine, and let me close by saying, okay, of course AI, this is somehow, it's there, it will never disappear. We all use it, but one has to be very careful about the results. One has to be critical about the results. It's just trained on existing data. And which data was used, you do not know. You do not know. So therefore you have to be critical about the results. You have to try to think about them, validity. Since so far they do not provide you any insight. They do not explain anything. They just produce something. And in that sense, somehow AI and mathematics, or you may replace mathematics by your favorite science. In my view, they aren't competitors, but they should be partners. So you have to combine them.